The people who get upset with each other over the stupidest of things are usually the ones who care the most. Some people are actually afraid of being too happy because they think something tragic is going to happen soon. This is known as cherophobia. Self-love is very important. Don't be harsh or rude with yourself. If you do mistake in past, say sorry and forget it. Never blame yourself too much. Never share your top secret, insecurities, or weakness to others, no matter how well you know each other. When you can't control what's happening, challenge yourself to control the way you respond to what's happening. That's where your power is. During REM sleep, your body becomes paralyzed to make sure you don't act out your dreams. Heartbreak after true love is equally painful as physical pain. Act happy and others will want to be with you. People love happy people because they want to be happy themselves. When someone always in your mind without any communication, it means they also thinks. You really love him, her, don't you? It's a psychological question. No name was mentioned, but still, someone came in your mind.